I would put my cat Penny to the test. So what I did was I wrote on a piece of paper France and Australia.
Socceroos, yep.
And I put a treat in front of each of them.
Okay.
I put Penny down on the ground in between them.
Yep.
And watched what happened.
Come on, kitty. No way!
Wait for it.
Oh! Oh! Come on, Penny! Come on! Come on! Pussy, pussy, pussy! Meow, meow, meow! Yes, Penny! She's eating it! Yes! The Socceroos!
Then licked her own butt. So, you know.
So it could all turn to crap. But good on you, Psychic Penny. You're the best pussy in town.
Oh, don't.
Tim and Jess. K-Rock 955.